I think I streamlined everything into the 5 Ws framework that I developed, which is quite simple to remember. If we look at work, what does work mean? That's the first W. Does work have to be redefined? The way work was for me, for my parents, is different from what work means for my children. We need to define what work means for the future. The next is the workload, 9 to 5. That's what it was traditionally. Do we need to rethink that? Can we consider what the workload is? Is it a case of you do your job, as long as you get this done by this time, it's fine, your time is yours? We need to rethink the workload itself. Then the workflow. How is work done, and how do you decide on the process? So as an organization, are your processes linked? Is it aligned with the values and the structure and your overall strategy? Because if it isn't and there are loads of bottlenecks, you're going to frustrate people, and the good people are the first ones to leave because they have options. When you're done with your workflow, what about the workplace? The workplace used to be the office. I'm getting up in the morning, I'm having a shower, I'm getting ready, I'm going to work. Now, a lot of people work from home. So is the home their workplace? Do you as an organization, as a business, need to match what that looks like? Is it conducive for the nature of work that you want them to do? Are your processes dynamic enough for people to work from home or work wherever they want to work? Can they be on the beach and still get the job done? So we need to consider what the workplace looks like. And then finally is the workforce itself. We've talked about intergenerations. We must consider AI as well as part of our staffing. Whether we like it or not, we're going to have AI agents as part of the workforce. So we need to consider these 5 Ws in order to consider what our culture as an organization would be to be ready for the future.